your boy Sujimoru. I'm so excited we're starting off the channel. It's so wonderful to have you watching me, which means you're here to support. I really appreciate it, so honored from the depth of my heart. I hope that with time, when you eventually get to watch the video and you love the content, you see the need to subscribe and like the video, share, and also click on the notification bell for new videos when I post them. And trust me, there are going to be a lot of interesting videos. As you can see, the name of the channel is Sujimoru Lab. In Sujimoru Lab, we're going to be doing a lot of experiments. It's a kitchen here. This is going to be my stage though, but I'm going to be calling it a laboratory because I'm hoping to make a lot of mistakes. I'm hoping to do a lot of new things, try things out, just as I researched it, trying them out for the first time for you guys to see, to criticize, to support, and to learn from. Trust me, I plan to make things really easy, the procedures, the recipe. Today we're going to be making a natural protein powder. Yeah, protein powder at home. For those of you who want to lose weight, for those of you who have been going to the gym needing the diet to help you replenish your muscles, for those of you who just want to add to your protein diet, yeah, we're going to be making a natural home-based protein powder. I'm so excited. All right, guys, sit back, relax, have a good time. Okay guys, so I already added my protein. I added like 3 spoons of the protein powder. I added some banana, dates. That's what I use as my substitute for sugar, apart from which it's very nutritious, I mean, some you can put sugar in, but I don't know. And then I put a lot of milk because you know it's been crazy. So let's blend this. So I put water already. Yeah, let's blend it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share also please. Also don't forget to click on the notification bell for all notifications so that when I send my new video, the one about the cheese, you'll see I got it right this time. And I mean, that's why I said we're just gonna keep making this experiment. Let me know also in the comment section below what you think about the video, some feedback. If you were able to get your own protein powder done, let me know how you enjoyed it. Was it with the rice like I suggested? And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks. Also in the description section, you'll see my other social media channel. Please do well to follow me